Immigration, deportations, and visas. Some of your top D.C. daily headlines for August 28. The immigration detention center nicknamed Alligator Alcatraz will reportedly be empty in a matter of days. The Associated Press citing an email from Florida Emergency Management Director Kevin Guthrie. A federal judge ruled that the Florida Everglades facility violates the law because there wasn't an environmental review before it was built. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, though, appealing the ruling. President Trump says the U.S. will accept 600,000 students from China to study here in the States, catching conservatives off guard by more than doubling the current number of Chinese visa students. Now, at the same time, the Trump administration is looking to limit visas for foreign students from an undefined length of time to 4 years. Is the United States required to spend $12 billion in U.S. aid as approved by Congress? Well, President Trump is asking the Supreme Court to block a lower court order requiring the government to unfreeze $12 billion in foreign aid funding that Congress approved to be spent by September 30. Nonprofit aid groups say the funding freeze breaks federal law and it stops life-saving programs and help around the world. The Trump administration in DOE's froze the funding as a cost-cutting measure and said the department had a, quote, radical left agenda. Right now, former USAID employees say the administration is now selling the USAID department's equipment and supplies. CDC Director Monarez says she will not resign after she was apparently fired by the Department of Health and Human Services after less than a month on the job. Monarez was nominated by President Trump, making her the first CDC director without a medical degree in more than 70 years. But the White House says she was, quote, not aligned with the president's agenda. Monarez's attorney says that she's being targeted for protecting the public's health over serving a political agenda. Her lawyer also says the White House didn't notify her. Four senior CDC officials also resigned on Wednesday, saying they were frustrated with the departure from science under the health secretary Robert Kennedy Jr.